In this session, we basically want to import this image and quickly sketch our guidelines, red lines, where we would like to place the wall. Let's first import the wall. I've already done it off to the side. I'm going to do it again. Push this one off to the side. You have a blank screen. Make sure you open up a file that already has established your line hierarchy and the red line, so you don't have to redo that. But just in case you've forgotten it, you can just recompose it. It's not a big deal. All right, so what I like to do is go on over here, and it has insert. You look for image, and you click on the image. It allows you to go to a folder that you've already made. And I've already created this image by cutting in, giving a name to the image. So I did it here. I open it. When I bring it in, it comes as an X. I can snap it like that. I can enlarge it. All right, so from here to here is currently 98, and I want it to be 120. I can type in 120 as I drag it bigger. But the thing is, we don't know those dimensions. What we do know is the countertop dimension. The countertop from here to here is 2 feet standard. So what I like to do is pick up the image and enlarge or scale the image, and I want to measure from here to here first, and it looks like it's 2 feet 6, so I go downwards, I bring it down, and I type in 2 feet, because that's what I would like it to be, so it reduces the scale. Let's assume the project was far smaller, so I'm going to take this, which is right now 96, and I'm going to make it 70 feet, so I'm going to make it a whole lot smaller. All right, so I want to again scale it. So I pick the image and I go to scale and I go on over here, measure from here to here. It looks like it is right now 1'5". So I need to go bigger. So I go on the other side of the line, type in 2 feet, and I go like this, and always check back and say, did I really do it right from there to there? Is it 2 feet? And if it's pretty close, you can leave it for now. Later on, we make it even more accurate. Once you actually have imported the image, then you would like to go about placing your guideline design lines. You can see where I place my design line over here, the red line. I'm going to yank it back so you can see it in relationship to the wall here, and you can see the relationship to the wall here. Do I touch the interior walls? No. I only do the exterior walls and the center core important walls like this one. And if I see some lines that are not clear to me, I do both sides or I do multiple. For example, when I pull this guy out, I recognize that's not the one that I really would like. So I'm actually going to offset here. I'm going to offset it 6 inches for now, just to see if that's going to give me 6 inches. I'm going to offset it 6 inches, and it looks like it's kind of there, but no cigar. So I'm going to move both of them. I'm going to pick both, Control, and move both of them a little bit, because even this one needs to be off a little bit. So now it looks like it is 6 inches and it's perfectly semi-aligned. So I'm going to leave that alone. So that shows me my wall over here. And then you could do the same thing over here and say, well, it's aligned with the inside here. It's not quite aligned here. What do I want to do? And you may decide to offset it again 6 inches so that you have a sense of possibility. And here you can actually see the 6 inches kind of works with this. So that's left alone. And then you see that there is a little bit of offset, so you leave that one alone. But then you may decide to give yourself some notations and say, I want to note that indeed this is interior. And you want to type in interior. So it's a reminder that that in fact is an interior line, so you don't forget it. And you can just put the note every other places as well. So it's a reminder. This is what's needed for the beginning of the class today. Importing the image, placing the red lines. It is due 7/9 at 6 o'clock.